welcome to today's video where we're looking at tripod 3110, which happens to be the cheapest tripod that you can buy on eBay at the minute. It's available for about £7 or $10 in America, I suppose, but I haven't checked the prices in America, so I would imagine it's somewhere similar. So this has a three-way head, built-in level, 4-section aluminium legs, and quick level lock. It's 1020mm tall. When it's folded up, it's 350mm. When it's stretched out, the legs are stretched out, it's 345. I'm not sure what this is. And the weight is 420 grams. So we'll have a look what's inside the packaging. Oh, and the first thing we'll have is a phone holder. I'm not sure what size phone this would fit. I'd be surprised if it's, what, a 5-inch screen? You could fit in there, maybe 6 at most. I think you have to get a different size holder for your phone if it's bigger. And we pull out the packaging and see what's inside. And it comes inside a bag. It's cheap. I'm not sure what kind of material that is. Probably some kind of plastic. Probably made out of Coke bottles. Some kind of fleece, I suppose. A fleece, plastic fleece bag. I suppose it'd be okay. I'm just going to throw it inside another bag and keep it clean. And this is the tripod. Whoa, them are rather flimsy. I can see them breaking, they're rather thin. It is aluminium, but it is rather thin and it's moving a lot. At the bottom of the tripod is just a rubber, some kind of rubber just attached to the bottom, no metal pin sticking out. Second section is a bit better, I suppose. It's still rather thin as well. It's a lot of wobbling here. I suppose if you want to do like scenery shots and landscapes, I don't think it's supposed to be any good on for video footage, but we're just taking photographs. It would probably do you fine. Something you can throw in your bag and quickly. It's like, that's how small it is. So compare it to, let's see if I've got a phone. So that's how big it's like, just over twice the size of a phone. I suppose it would be fine, just like throw in the bag. It looks like the tripod head is fixed. We do have the level here, the bubble floating around. Not sure if you can see that. But this is definitely fixed onto the onto the tripod, so you won't be removing this with your camera. So let's put this on the camera and see what it's like. And we have our test camera is a Lumix G1, and let's put it on and see what it's like. Right, that's attached. I better put that down so it would be level like you have it on the camera. And we'll see what kind of action it has. Move these out of the way. Actually, that's kind of smooth. That is a smooth action. I will show some test footage later with the camera recording, but my talent, it's not snagging or jarring when it's moving. It's a smooth pan. And that was the test footage you just watched, and it doesn't do too bad for the price, which is about £7. Take a few pennies in between. It's available on eBay and most other online places to buy, and it does the job good. I would say if you're going to go out taking photographs and video in the wind, you're probably going to need something a bit heavier, because this is only what 420 grams, which wouldn't. Well, it's okay if you're holding it, but I wouldn't leave it on its own if you're gonna like go a far distance on the camera and take photographs remotely on your phone. I would probably keep an eye on it or use a heavier tripod. But overall, it's a pretty good buy, and I recommend this. And if you like that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.